Students, in the previous session we learned about capacitors and we are going to know about the capacitors when connected in series. We know that the capacitors is a device which is used to store charges and as well as energy, right? So what happens when the one or more capacitors are connected in a circuit in series as well as in parallel? We are going to learn now. Consider three capacitors C1, C2 and C3 are connected in series with the battery of potential difference V. As soon as the battery is connected to the circuit, the electrons from this point get transferred, minus Q is transferred from the negative terminal. So first the negative terminal to the capacitor C3 right plate, which pushes the electron, same amount of electron minus Q, to the left of the plate, and left to here it gets positive charge, right? And this positive charge reflects the electrons and here the negative charge will be developed. Then negative charge repels the electrons, that is positive charge, from here to here, right? In such manner all the capacitors, in between the capacitor there will be a potential difference raised. So here for the capacitor C1 the potential difference raised is V1, and for capacitor C2 the potential difference raised is V2, and in between these two plates the potential difference is V3. So in case of the capacitors connected in series, the potential difference between the plates C1, C2 and C3 also varies. So the total potential in the circuit is V is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3, right? Now the capacitance must be calculated, right? We already know that Q is equal to CV. Each capacitors has different potential difference. So V is equal to Q by C. Then V1 is equal to Q is a constant here because the same potential is connected across the three circuits. So Q will remains constant here. Then Q remains unchanged and the capacitance varies due to the potential varies because they are directly proportional, right? Then the capacitance also varies. C1, C2 and C3. Q get cancelled. Then the capacitance of capacitor in series 1 by Cs is equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 plus 1 by C3. That is the sum of the individual capacitance. When the capacitors are connected in series, then it is equal to the sum of the reciprocal of each of the capacitance. The equal capacitance is always smallest. See, calculate here. So equal capacitance is always smaller when they are connected in series. The next one, what happens when the capacitors are connected in parallel? Consider the three capacitors C1, C2 and C3 which are connected parallelly to the battery with the potential difference V. Right? Here the potential remains constant and the charge varies for each of the capacitors, and the charge varies. Q is equal to Q1 plus Q2 plus Q3. We already know that Q is equal to CV. Then parallelly, that is CPV is equal to, instead of Q1 we are going to substitute C1 V because the potential is constant here. C2V and C3V. So VV get cancelled, Cp is equal to C1 plus C2 plus C3. Here the net capacitance when they are connected in parallel is the net capacitance will be greater than the individual capacitance. Okay, see, this is the capacitance in series. Here the potential remains Q remains constant and potential varies. Here potential is constant and Q varies. That's all.